In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a visualization in a tooltip using Tableau. This process can be completed in just about 5 minutes, so let's delve right in. To get started, you'll want to open your Tableau public app. Once you have it open, navigate to your worksheet where you have your data ready. The first thing you want to do is double-click on the Country Region field. This action will help you identify where you're going to place your data within your visualization. Following this, go ahead and double-click on the State field as well. Doing so enables you to get an even more granular look at your data by adding another geographic dimension. Now, you'll want to bring profit into play by dragging it over to the Colors section in the Marks field. This step isn't just about aesthetics. It provides a visual representation of profitability across different regions and states, making it easier to interpret the data at a glance. Next, it's time to open a new sheet in Tableau. In this new sheet, we'll set up the next part of our visualization. Drag the Order Date field to the columns and set it to Month Continuous. This particular setting helps to organize your data into a time series, allowing trends to emerge visibly over time. Now drag Profit into the Rows section. This adds essential information to your time-based data, showing how profitability shifts and changes month by month. At this stage, you should change your chart type to a line chart. Line charts are particularly useful for visualizing data changes over time, giving clear signals of upward or downward trends. With your second sheet set up, let's return to our first sheet. Look for the Tooltip option and click on it. The Tooltip is where we're going to nest our second visualization. Inside the Tooltip settings, remove any existing text. Once it's clear, click on Insert. In this menu, select Sheet, and then choose the second sheet that you created. That's the one featuring the line chart of your profitability over time. By now, hovering over your main visualization by state will display your newly added chart within the Tooltip. It's a dynamic way to add deeper insights without cluttering your main dashboard. This linked visualization gives viewers an additional layer of information, effectively transforming a simple visual into an interactive data story. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a viz into a tooltip, allowing your Tableau dashboard to provide a richer, more nuanced understanding of your data with just a few straightforward steps. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy visualizing!